Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. If the points a minus 28 comma minus 21, b comma c and c minus 13 comma minus 16 are collinear and 5b plus c equal to minus 49, find the values of b and c. Now since a, b and c are collinear, then we can say that ab and bc have same slope. So let's look at it. Slope of any line joining 2 points is given by slope equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So by simply putting the values we get, therefore slope of AB is equal to, A is minus 28 minus 21 and B is B comma C. So y2 is C minus of minus 21 upon x2 is B minus of minus 28. So slope of AB is C plus 21 and B plus 28. Slope of BC is minus 16 minus C upon minus 13 minus B. Let me rearrange these equations a bit. Yes, now these slopes have to be equal, so C plus 21 should be equal to B plus 28. So C plus 21 by B plus 28 should be equal to minus 16 minus C upon minus 13 minus B. So by cross multiplying we get C plus 21 multiplied by minus 13 minus B equal to minus 16 minus C multiplied by B plus 28. So let's open the brackets. So we have minus 13C minus 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26 plus 1 is 27, so minus 273. Then is minus 21b and minus bc. All of this should be equal to, let's see, minus 16b. Minus 16 into 28 is 16, 8s are 128. 16 twos are 32 plus 12 is 44, so minus 448. 16, then we get minus bc, then we get minus 28c. Now minus bc will cancel out from both sides, so we have, let's take minus 13c plus 28c. I have taken this over to this side, left side. Then we have, let's take minus 16b over to this side. So we have minus 21b plus 16b, and then we are left with minus 448 plus 273. So we have minus 13c plus 28c is minus 15c, and minus 21b plus 16b is minus 5b, equal to minus 8 minus 3 is 5. This is plus 15c, not minus 15c. 8 minus 3 is 5. 14 minus 7 is 7, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So all of this is equal to minus 175. Minus 175. This is equation 1. We are given 5b plus c, that is c plus 5b is equal to minus 49. This is equation 2. It's given in the question. So if we add 1 and 2, what we get, let's see, 15c plus c minus 5b plus 5b equal to minus 775 minus 49. So what we get, minus 5b plus 5b cancel out, and what we have, 15c plus c is 16c, should be equal to minus 175 minus 49. So 9 plus 5 is 14, 7 plus 5 is 12, 1 plus 1 is 2, so minus 224. So we get value of c as minus 14. Now to get value of b, we simply put c equal to minus 14 in equation 2. So what we get minus 14 plus 5b equal to minus 49. So 5b equal to minus 49 plus 14. So 5b equal to minus 35. So b is equal to minus 7. So we get value of b as minus 7 and minus c as minus 14. This is the answer.